Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Today I want to talk about our expectations from automation. Specifically, I want to talk about the expectation that automation will find bugs. So you program the application, and you debug it, and you test it, and it works. You even have an automated test to prove that what you wrote works. Let's take a simple example. This app registers an entry in the database, and it works. Trust me. Here's a test for that. When will a test fail? Two options. One, if there's a crash when you're running it. And the second one is when someone goes in and changes the functionality that it tested before. That's the point of automation, right? To find bugs. Well, not completely. Automated tests alert us when something that worked before stopped working. However, think about the workflow that I just described. There was code, and then I wrote a test to prove that it works. I wrote the test to prove my own code works. I wasn't looking for a bug when I wrote this test, which is good because I didn't find one. As the saying goes, tests don't mean that there are no bugs. It just means that I haven't discovered them yet. In my case, the scenario worked as I expected it to. Finding bugs meant I was actually looking for them. Automated tests prove something works as expected, not the other way around. Okay, potato, what does it really mean? Many organizations reduce the role of testers, sometimes getting rid of them completely, and moving the work of automation to developers and automation engineers. They do that under the assumption that the automated tests will keep quality at the same level that it was before, at least when you had testers around. However, that level of quality depends on two things. The first one is automation that proves things working as they are expected. The second one is exploration, to find what actually works and what doesn't. Automation can definitely help with the first one. For the second one, you need a human. Someone who can design a net, throw it into the lake, see ripples, and finally catch the fish. I mean bugs. Expecting automated tests to find bugs is both wrong and risky. Automation works well for any scenario that is expected to work. But with the complex systems that we have today, that is not enough. And no, it will not find bugs for you. Automation is great, but expecting it to find bugs, we're really setting ourselves up for disappointment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and tell me about your automated test that may have found bugs. I would like to know about that. Until next time, thank you for watching. See you, have a nice day, and bye-bye.